Hi everyone, welcome to Miss Chinese Food. I'm Jack. Today we will learn how to make tiger skin eggs. We use the quail eggs as the eggs in this food. Let's start. Firstly, we should immerse 10 g Chinese Auricularia black fungus mushroom for 10 minutes. Then cut it into small pieces, save it for later use. Now let's prepare other ingredients for this food. Firstly, fine mince 1 small bunch of green onion and save for later. Second, fine mince 3 slices of ginger and save for later. Third, fine mince 2 garlic cloves and save for later. Next, we should cook quail eggs. Firstly, wash 420 g quail eggs. Then pour some water and add half teaspoon salt into the pan. Then pour the quail eggs into the pan. After the water is boiling, cook quail eggs for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, get quail eggs out of the boiled water and then put them into the cold water for 5 minutes. Now we can shell quail eggs. Get quail eggs out of the cold water and put them into a plastic food storage container. Make sure the lid is on and then shake it vigorously for about 20 seconds. After the shaking, the quail eggs are easy to shell. Shell all of the quail eggs and then use water to wash them. Pour 400 ml cold oil into the pan and use medium heat to heat the oil. Make sure the oil can immerse the eggs. More oil can prevent burning when frying. We provide an example to help you to judge the right temperature. Put 1 piece of green onion into the pan. If it flows quickly, that means the oil hot enough. Drain the quail eggs and then put them on the slotted spoon. After the oil hot enough, put the eggs into the pan slowly. When frying the quail eggs, we should use the slotted spoon to stir them few times. It can prevent eggs from sticking to each other. The fried eggs should be golden in color and don't fry too long. Fry for 2 minutes is a great choice. Finally, drain the eggs and leave some oil on the pan. Now we can cook the tiger skin eggs. Pour the ginger and garlic into the pan. Stir and fry them until aromatic. Add the black fungus mushroom into the pan. Stir them few times. Then add fried quail eggs into the pan. Add 150 ml water, 1 teaspoon sugar, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon light soy sauce. Use soft fire to stir evenly and cook them for 4 minutes. Then use the big fire to help the eggs to absorb the sauce. Finally, add chopped green onion and stir few times. Then we finish the delicious eggs. If you taste it, you will find that every egg has enough fragrance. Just enjoy it. Okay, that's our Chinese food today. If you like our video, please subscribe us. If you have any problem, please leave your comment below. See you next Chinese food. Bye.